Welcome. The day has arrived. We've struggled. Tears, sweat, blood, and agony and victory. Climbing our way up the mountain to get this crown. To be crowned king of the newbie French level in Duolingo. We're going to prove it right here. This is the legendary level. It won't be easy. So I'm jumping right in. Let's not talk about it. Let's just do it. Stay focused. Complete this challenge with fewer than 3 mistakes to advance. I don't even think I have. Oh, okay. Oh man, this is gonna be a long video then.
Un chat.
Oh come on, easy peasy man. A cat. So that means un chat. Type the English, right? A man. Un homme. Un homme. Am I supposed to type the French? I think so. I gotta read this stuff. Okay.
Un garçon.
Un garçon. Type the English. A boy. So far, so good. 3 mistakes were allowed. I'm not even scared, man. Un chat. Un chat.
Un homme et un garçon.
Un homme et un garçon. So, a man and a boy. Man and a boy. Un homme et un garçon. Double checking in my mind. A boy. The French translation is un garçon with a squiggly C. Garçon. What do you call that squiggly C? Special C? I don't know.
Un homme.
Un homme. C is for cookie. That song jumped in my head. Un homme. A man. A man. It's good enough for me. A man and a boy. So. Un homme. Oh no. Un homme et un garçon. I hope that's right. Garçon. I'm scared, man. I'm scared. Un homme et un garçon. What do we win if we get them all?
Un chat et un garçon.
Get a 1-year subscription of Premium Plus or what?
Un chat et un garçon.
Un chat et un garçon. So a cat and a boy. A cat and a boy. Un chat et un garçon. Looks right. A cat and a man. So un chat et un homme. Un chat et un homme. Oh, that A, okay.
Un garçon et un chat.
Gotta figure out when it's E-S-E-T or E-S-T.
Un garçon et un chat.
Un garçon et un chat. So a boy and a cat. A boy and a cat. Un garçon et un chat. A cat and a boy. Un chat et un garçon. Wait, am I supposed to type it in English? French. Chat et un garçon. Un chat et un garçon. A cat and a boy.
Un chat et un homme.
Why is there a 40 there? What is that? I can't move this thing. So 40 questions? Is that how that works? 40 words maybe?
Un chat et un homme.
Un chat et un homme. A cat and a man. A cat and a man. Un chat et un homme. Don't forget to breathe. Here we go. A man and a cat. So un homme et un chat. Un homme. Oops. Homme et un chat. Un homme et un chat. Oh, deep breath. A boy and a cat. Type the French. Un garçon. Un garçon et un chat. Un garçon et un chat. We did it. No mistakes. So what do I get? What do I get? 40 combo bonus. 90 experience points. That's crazy. Are we number 1 then? There's like some kind of competition happening. Update challenge. Nice. Nice. We're in a January challenge. Prove you're a legend. Ready to reach legendary level with 4 challenges. Your toughest yet. Oh my gosh. Do we dare? Do we dare? Of course we do. Of course we do. Stay focused. Wow. So, une femme et un homme. Une femme. Une femme et un homme. Oh, there's a big treasure chest at the end of this. That's why we gotta stay focused. Like the guy said, man.
Je suis Paul.
Je suis Paul. So I am Paul. I am Paul. Whoops. Je suis Paul. Un garçon et une fille. Et une fille.
Je suis Marie.
I believe you. I am Mary. Marie. Je suis Marie. What if that's a real French name? Mary, Marie. Je suis Paul. French? Okay. Je suis Paul. Je suis Paul. Je suis Paul.
Une femme et une fille.
Une femme et une fille. So, a woman and a girl. A woman. A woman. W-O-M-A-N. That's how you spell woman. And a man. No! Whoa, man. I almost lost my mind there for a second. Une femme et une fille. A woman and a girl. Hang on there, sanity. We're gonna get through this. Je suis Marie. I am Mary. Type the French. Je suis Marie with a capital M. Je suis Marie. Alrighty. I'm taking a sip of tea. Halfway.
Je suis une fille.
Je suis une fille. I am a girl. Je suis une fille. A woman. Une femme. Man, I got these things locked in my brain. Une femme.
Une fille et un garçon.
Une fille et un garçon. So, a girl. Oops. Girl. Aïe. Aïe. And a boy. Une fille et un garçon. A girl and a boy. I am a boy. Je suis un garçon. No, yeah, je suis. Oh no, my brain is shutting off. Come on. We're back. Je suis un garçon. Je suis un garçon. That's how you spell it. What? Je suis un garçon. I'm putting a period there to finalize it.
Une femme.
Une femme. So, what does that mean? A woman? Oh man. A woman. I'm sweating. Like literally, I'm thinking real hard for some reason. I know this should be easy, man. It's just the stress of not being able to open that treasure chest. I need it. I'm a girl. Je suis une fille. Je suis une fille. I'm a girl. A man, a woman, and a man. So, French. So, une femme et un homme. Une femme et un homme. Does that look right? Yeah. My brain hurts. A woman and a girl. Une femme. That pair needs a nap. So, une femme et une fille. Une femme et une fille. That was it? Wow. Oh! I think I'm gonna have a nap and I'll come back and do those other 2 stages. Wow, I'm getting 90 XP. This is crazy. That's how those other guys like fly ahead of me in the challenges or whatever. 3 and 4. We gotta do it. I'll be back in 5 minutes.